everybody. I will be sharing with you how to use fresh aloe vera gel as a pre-poo treatment, plus the do's and don'ts about aloe vera leaf. This is what I call Mother Nature. Alright, this is my first don'ts about aloe vera. Do not remove your fresh aloe vera gel from the leaf without soaking it for 5 to 10 minutes. Because of that yellowish slime, it's very taxing to the skin. And guys, my second don't about aloe vera gel is always remove that sharp part off your aloe vera leaf before you try to remove the gel, because most time that sharp part, if you're not careful, it will poke your finger, and sometimes it even stick into your fingers, and getting that sucker out is like hell on earth. Alright, this is my third don't. It's not really a don't, but I'm gonna mention it in a way. If you're not good at handling knife, I would not recommend that you scoop out your aloe vera gel using a knife, because it's very slimy. Use a comb or the toothbrush, or you can use a fork to remove your gel. Sometimes when the aloe vera plant stay too long in the ground, the gel changes brown, especially when the weather is cold or winter time, or when it stay too long on your counter. If the gel is brown, it's not a problem at all. The only time you need to get rid of your aloe vera gel or plant or leaf, unless you see maggot, God, I just said that, maggot coming out, then it means you need to throw it away, or when it's smelling funny. And guys, I have a video on this channel, me making fresh aloe vera gel, 98%, almost 100% aloe vera gel hairspray. You don't have to deal with the sliminess, especially for those of you who don't like the sliminess in the aloe vera but love using aloe vera gel. This particular video is definitely for you. So here are some benefits for aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel contains vitamin A, C, and E, plus add instant moisture, and it promotes healthy hair growth. If you want more details on aloe vera gel, I'm going to drop a link in the description for you. So I like to blend my aloe vera gel so that I can be able to get 99% of the juice out of the gel instead of wasting it away. Usually I like to mix 2 to 3 tablespoons of peanut oil with my aloe vera gel juice, and this time I decided to use this tropical oil. And this is the first do's about aloe vera gel in this video. I will recommend you always remove the clumps and lumps from your aloe vera gel juice after blending it, and use a cloth or a cotton t-shirt to screen out that excess part that is not blend well enough before putting it in your hair. So I did start off by sashaying my hair, then I spray a little bit of water before going in with my aloe vera gel pre-poo treatment. I'm going to massage that treatment all through that particular session gently. I will start with my ends and work my way down to my roots and massage that treatment all through that particular section. Then I'm going to move on to the next. Then I will put my hair into a big chunky twist for now, because I'm going to come back and remove the knot and tangle from my hair. You know where whenever you finish blending your aloe vera gel juice and you use your hands trying to apply on your hair, that's a no. Always use the applicator bottle to avoid it from drizzling all over on you or making a mess or ending up staining your clothes. Can aloe vera gel give my hair protein overload? What is the do's and don'ts about aloe vera gel? What is the side effect for using aloe vera gel? How can I be allergic to aloe vera gel? How can I make a pre-poo treatment using aloe vera gel? This is the answer you want to know before buying or using fresh aloe vera gel on your skin or in your hair. So as you can see here, I am just massaging this aloe vera gel pre-poo treatment through my hair gently. I am also doing a light finger detangling. Don't be too rough with the detangling. You're gonna have more time for the detangling after 45 minutes or 1 hour. Alright guys, if you do reach this far of this video, thanks for watching. I am going to give you a tips about aloe vera gel right at the end of this video. That is going to help save your hair. Yes, making sure I am getting that pre-poo treatment at the right area of my hair where the knot is. That is why I am doing a light finger detangling as I apply this product. I'm not detangling right now. After 45 minutes or 1 hour, I'm going to come back and remove the knot. I am just making sure my hair is saturated with this DIY pre-poo treatment, guys. Alright, so this is one of the don'ts about aloe vera gel. Don't sit on your couch. Try to apply aloe vera gel on your hair. It's very messy. I recommend you do this in the shower or in your backyard. Usually I do this outside or I do it in the shower. Alright, so I did tell you guys I was going to do a deep conditioner treatment video today, but I'm still editing that video. It's taking forever. So right now I decided to bring you guys this my favorite hair moisturizing treatment. It's very cheap. You don't have to spend a whole lot of money if you're purchasing it the right way. Usually I like to buy the whole plant instead of you buying it one by one and spending $6 to $7 on just one aloe vera leaf. You can buy the pot for like $20 and grow it yourself, and you can save money 2 ways. Aloe vera gel and myself, we live in the same house. The scent doesn't smell pleasant, but my hair get along with it. So what else can I do? Accept it. That's Mother Nature. If you do use aloe vera gel too often, you end up suffering from protein overload. And we don't want that. So you need to use aloe vera gel like once a week or once a month or once every 3 weeks. You don't want to change your hair texture using too much aloe vera gel. You just want to make your hair soft where you can be able to pass the comb through. Meaning it's this natural product that you can use to make your hair more manageable. I'm not trying to change my hair texture, and to tell you the truth, I love my full C hair. I won't change a thing about it. After I was done applying this product all through my hair, first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to get my grocery bag. You can use a shower cap, but I have 2 here. I'm going to use a grocery bag and the shower cap because I'm going to be walking around. I recommend you also get a little towel just in case you got some of the aloe gel dressing on your face so that you can wipe it down. And guys, I'm going to use that t-shirt. I'm going to wrap it around and I tie it around my hairline so that whenever some of the aloe vera gel juice try to get out so that it can be trapped. I am trying to trap it in. The only reason why I try to trap it in because I always like to soak my hair with the aloe vera gel pre-poo treatment to remove whatsoever knots that refuse to get out. So as you can see here, I got a bit left, and don't worry if you have too much or you make too much of the aloe vera juice. Don't worry about that. You can save it in your refrigerator. It will last up to a week, and you can also use it as a leave-in treatment. just make sure you screen it after you are done making it, because we don't want no clumps and lumps sticking in our kinks. So after I was done covering up my hair, I'm gonna let this DIY pre-poo treatment stay in for like 45 minutes to 1 hour. Then I will come back and remove the knots and tangle from my hair. Alright guys, aloe vera gel is amazing. But let me tell you, if you use too much, you will have side effects from protein overload. And protein overload is not good at all. But there are ways you can fix protein overload from using aloe vera gel too often. One of the way I usually fix the protein overload from using too much aloe vera gel, I usually use like rice water. If I'm not using rice water, I will either use my herbal teas, rinse, and that helps. I will use like the herbal tea rinse like 2 to 3 times a week. That helps a lot. That's one of the ways to stop the protein overload, especially if you use too much aloe vera gel or aloe vera juice or aloe vera hairspray. Alright guys, so it been 1 hour and I am back to remove the knots and tangle from my hair. If you add a little bit of aloe vera gel, you're still gonna get that soft hair, but my hair is super thick, so I like to add a whole lot of the aloe vera gel pre-poo treatment. I want it to remove all those knots and tangle that refuse to get out. So that's why I like to soak my hair with the aloe vera juice. This is my favorite detangling brush. So I will start with my first section of hair using that my detangling brush. I will start with the ends and work my way to the middle before going to my roots, gently removing the knots. Right now, as you can see, my hair is so soft, it's not even funny at all. This particular treatment is going to melt those knots away. You know how your hair is really tangled and you're trying everything to remove those knots? This is the treatment that is going to help you remove those knots and tangle without breaking the bank and without spending hours trying to remove knots and you end up with breakage. So after I do remove the knots and tangle from my hair, I'm going to put my hair into a box spray. Yes, guys. I will put my hair into the box spray. Then I'm going to go in the shower and rinse out that aloe vera juice and slime out of my hair. It takes a while to rinse it. You just rinse it with room temperature water. Take your time, gently rinse it out. And after I am done rinsing it out, it's not tangled. All I'm going to do is apply shampoo to my hair. And guys, there's a video on this channel that I posted yesterday on how I shampoo my hair. Check it out. And I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.